Chris Chinnock here, Insight Media, DisplayWeek 2024 as the AUO booth. And I'm going to look at their micro LED devices. All of the micro LED displays that AUO is showing are all based on devices that are about 30 microns in size or so. All use LTPS backplanes. Most are on glass substrates, but there is one flexible one that's on LTPS backplane. I'm sorry, it's on a polyimide backplane. And so let's take a look at what they're showing. Over here is what's going to be designed to go into an automobile. This is kind of a textured center console display, our passenger display. And the whole idea here is you have these kind of wood grain looks, and the display behind it can come on or off, obviously. And it kind of gives a nice ambiance in the vehicle. What's nice about this particular one is the transmissivity is up around 80%, much higher than what some other companies are showing. Over here is their privacy film, and this is the same 21-inch active matrix micro LED display, but now you've got a separate LCD panel that goes in the stack over on this side. And this is kind of a zonal approach. So you can have a zone here, zone here, zone here, zone here, all that can be controlled by the driver or the passenger, I presume. And so it's designed to, I'm kind of in the driver position here, so this would be in front of the passenger in the car, and the privacy film is engaged now, and it's very low transmissiveness. I think it's about 0.5% of transmissiveness. So it works very well, very nice. Here's another automotive application, 13.5-inch micro LED, obviously transparent here. And the idea is this would sit on the dashboard but have visibility through the windshield. It's not quite a HUD, it's not quite a CID display, it's kind of a composite, I guess, between them. And this is a different concept. This is actually pretty cool. So what this is the same transparent display with an opaque background backplane, but they've added a camera module. And when it comes back on, you should be able to see me filming this. It's integrated in back of the transparent micro LEDs as a single sensor unit with its own lensing application. So and the reason they did that is because these are kind of things that are already ready to go in the automotive environment. But they could potentially start to change this to instead of having a monolithic CCD sensor, there you can see right there, and it's way up kind of up here in the top middle is where this sensor is. So they could distribute that sensing capability between the spaces of the micro LEDs, if you will, because there is space between them. Booth, Chris Chinnock for Insight Media.